There's Dad's helper with the shovel. Notice how high the snow is. Yeah. That's nothing compared to what the front end loader left from last night. Melanie's demonstrating over there. These drifts are as tall as I am. Unbelievable. This is a lot of snow that we got. You can see the cars are coming up just fine. Quite a mess. Let's see if we can zero in on Melanie. There she is. Hi Melanie, way over there. Almost able to touch that tree limb. Wow. That's just a lot of snow. You can see the mailbox. Almost buried. There's ours, almost buried. So much for the sidewalk shoveling that we did. Let's see what we got across the street. Yeah, we got wrecked shoveling job is what we got. Oh. And there we have Jacob helping me out. What a big helper you are, buddy. Good job.